need to develop himself through developing his inner richness. So inner richness of human beings are like potential, and he needs to actualize them through realizing that development of his spirit and his self is related to the march of life, the historical or march of the cosmic spirit, in the sense that the life advances and the cosmic spirit advances through human spirit. So if we develop our human spirit and become self-conscious of this march, and if we make ourselves worthy of this, then we become part of world historical march. We become part of this advancement of life. And our living spirit feels this push of life inside her, this push of life. But if we do not develop ourselves and do not develop our potential, then we become deaf to this call of life, this push of life, this advancement of the world spirit, and we become relevant to the march of history, irrelevant to the march of history. And Allama Iqbal is reading it as becoming, dead spirit or dead heart. And the way we develop ourselves is through confronting the reality. So reality is there confronting us. So the development of self and the actualization of the self from potential to actual is awakened through this confrontation. Now, and we need knowledge to be successful in this confrontation, and knowledge of our own inner possibilities are, in modern education language, you can say potential our skills, developing them. So first we need that. Second, we need knowledge of the external reality, which we get through experience and reason. And basically, well, I think that's the scientific knowledge which we need in order to overcome this resistance of reality. And we overcome the resistance of reality through capturing reality, through imposing our will on this reality. Then this reality become, not from being something confrontational, something alien, it become part of ourselves, and it become part of Geist as well, the world spirit. But it becomes part of us, and part only through capturing this reality, through overpowering this reality, through imposing our total control over this reality. And we do through knowledge, by which I mean basically scientific knowledge, as you will see, and technology. So this inner development of each individual self and inner development of a species self seems to be a carbon copy of modern stream of progress, that is government of things in the service of humanity and individuals, and the world where reality is subservient to human will and human need. It becomes part of their self. So once we overcome it, it's no longer the other. It becomes part of ourselves in that way. And this is a Hegelian scientific enlightenment project, and Allama Iqbal is reading this into the Quran. And this project is a self, like individual self, and it's a world historical march of a spirit, which is either species self or human species, and that march is through confronting reality and overpowering reality and capturing reality through knowledge and technology. So then are no longer alien to human self, but we are part of human self in the service of human self and its plan and its historical mission of becoming a co-worker of God or co-God or whatever. We looked at this in detail in previous sessions. Okay, so now